Hi everybody, I'm Strand. Thanks for joining me today. Today I am going to step way outside my comfort zone to bring you a video product recommendation. I'm not really too worried about taping the video so much as posting the video. So if you are watching this right now, you know I overcame some fears and I hit that post button. Hopefully I won't have too hard of a time. I just, seeing myself and hearing myself, I'm human. Anyway, I wanted to bring you a product recommendation. When I started doing affiliate marketing, I told you I would only bring you products that I really believe in, something that has changed my life in some way or wowed me in some way. And my first product recommendation was for e-Shakti dresses, the dresses that are made to fit with pockets. I get countless compliments on my e-Shakti dresses, far more than anything else that I wear. I always get compliments. So that wowed me and I wanted to share that with you. Well, today I'm bringing you this product, which is actually the product that originally inspired me to become an affiliate. Ben Soap Company, I started working there. Full disclosure, I started working there just over a year ago. When I first started working there, I had no idea that people, consumers, could be passionate about their soap. Well, it turns out that they can be very passionate about their soap and their skincare products. And so I am here to share my passion that I have developed over the year that I've worked there, because this is really a product that needs to be shared. So today I'm going to just cover two of their many products, the goat milk soap and the goat milk lotion. First, I want to tell you a little about the company. It's a family-owned company. The Johnsons are a wonderful family who own it. The company is on their 40-acre farm here in Central Oregon, and they just welcomed their 10th child into the world on September 13th. They're really a fabulous, fabulous family, and I'm so privileged to be working there. But it's their loving parenting that actually brought this whole thing together. Their son Chance, when he was younger, he used to have eczema. And he would be running around on the farm trying to keep up with his brothers, but he would be scratching and itching, and he would be pretty miserable. And he would scratch to the point of bleeding. And they were trying to find products to treat his eczema with, and they couldn't find anything that didn't burn or further irritate his skin condition. And when they started reading the ingredients to figure out why this was happening, they realized that a lot of these products have toxic chemicals in them, or harsh chemicals like alcohols, or stuff that shouldn't be put on sensitive skin of children or sensitive skin of people managing things like eczema or psoriasis. So they thought, well, we've heard that goat milk is actually really good for the skin. The skin acts as a barrier and it tries to keep things out. Goat milk has smaller proteins, fatty acids, whatever, that are easily absorbed into the skin and allows for some intense hydration. There's a really great article on their website, bensoap.com, called The Science of Goat Milk Soap that explains it thoroughly. But beyond the hydrating, the goat milk also exfoliates, restores, and protects the skin as well. So they went ahead and gathered some other really high quality ingredients, saponified coconut oil, olive oil, and palm oil. And they started mixing it up in a recipe with the goat milk until they found results that they started to like. They started to see results on Chance. When his skin was finally clear, they thought, we might be onto something. So they started handing samples out to friends, family, store clerks, bank tellers, whoever would take them, they wanted to give the soap to. And they started getting some really great feedback. People who were managing all sorts of different skin conditions, eczema, psoriasis, KP, I can never remember the long name, but it's also known as chicken skin. Dry skin, people like in the Midwest that have those really harsh winters, or here in the high desert, really dry summers. yeah, people started saying, "Oh my gosh, my skin is so soft. I'm able to manage my skin problems, blah blah blah." And they thought, "Gosh, we really need to do something with this product." So that's why they started Ben Soap Company. There are two different kinds of soap, two different sizes of soap. There's the full size of approximately 4.5 ounces, and then there's also a travel size, approximately 1.5 ounces. The if you are trying, there are 15 cents total. But if you are trying to manage a skin condition like eczema or psoriasis, or those ones that I mentioned, you're going to want to start with one of two soap scents, quote unquote, oatmeal and honey, or the unscented. The oatmeal and honey is their best-selling soap by far because it has so many wonderful attributes to it. The honey is extra nourishing. The oat adds all sorts of wonderful nutrients to your skin, plus acts as a light exfoliant. All sorts of good things, plus the goat milk, all of those oils. It's a really great product. But if you're sensitive to anything, there is the unscented, which only has those 4 key ingredients. It has the goat milk, the coconut, olive, and palm oils. That's it. The other scents have either oatmeal and honey or essential oils, or that's it. That's all they add beyond those 4 key ingredients. Tea tree, there are different benefits to the different essential oils that they've chosen to use. For example, tea tree has a highly astringent value, as well as the English garden. So if you're trying to, say, combat acne, you would want to use the tea tree or the English garden. Some people have reported really good results with also honey grapefruit. I use the tea tree for my hair because it makes a really good shampoo. And also, I wash my dishes with it. I have this small travel size soap next to the sink, and if I need to do any hand washing, I get my soap, my sponge wet. I rub my soap on it until it lathers, and then I wash my dishes. It's really very convenient, and it's, again, all natural, plus it has some antibacterial properties, so you're killing germs. Very convenient. Most of the products have multi-uses, so again, spend a little time on their blog and see some of the different things that you can come up with. The second product that I want to talk about today is the lotion. So after you wash your skin with the goat milk, you can actually trap all of those wonderful benefits into your skin with more goat milk. The lotion is really, it's a light lotion. It's not greasy. It absorbs really quickly because of the benefits of goat milk. And it, even the scent, smell, aroma, whatever you want to call it, because it's not a perfume, they don't use any perfumes, all the scents are really light too. If you have your sensitive skin issues that you're trying to combat, then use the unscented lotion because it has absolutely no natural oils, natural fragrance oils, or any sort of scent added to it. But the other ones, the lavender, almond delight, island coconut, and sweet orange, are all absolutely wonderful. Try any of them. The other product, the last product that I do want to talk about today is the milk bath. So if you are a bath taker, I wasn't until I discovered this product. You can try the milk bath. It's basically just the soap shredded. And you put a pinch or two into your bath as it's filling, and it turns your water a nice milky white, and you take your milk bath. I call it a Cleopatra moment because she liked milk baths as well. But it absorbs into your skin and makes your skin so soft. The water is so silky, and that's why I started taking baths once I discovered this product, because sinking into a warm milk bath and that satiny, silky water that you just sit in and luxuriate in, it's just a really nice feeling. And if you are battling any sort of skin condition, you can get the oatmeal and honey or the unscented milk bath, and you just soak all of that wonderful nutrient and all of those benefits into your skin immediately, and you just pat dry and put some lotion on, and you're good to go. So it's really nice. If you're a bath taker, I would definitely suggest that. They have other products as well. They have sugar scrubs, lip butters, and all natural deodorants. Ben Soap Company just released last week baby salve, and so you can now treat your baby's diaper rash with all natural, high quality ingredients. You don't have to worry about what's soaking in through their skin when you're trying to heal them or make them better. Not heal them, but make them better. I urge you to try the products. They're all just wonderful. They really are. And they have a guarantee. So if you don't like them, you just call and contact customer service, and they'll help you take care of that. If you're watching my video, then I'm going to put, on my blog, I'm going to put the links that you can find all of these wonderful products in the blog post. If you happen to stumble upon this video on YouTube, then I'll put it in the comments as well, so that you can find it there. Or you can hop on over to my blog or my website, kstrand.com, KAISTRAND.com, and click the blog post to find Ben Soap Company and find all the fun links that you're gonna need to check out the products. If you do try the products, can you circle back and let me know what you think? Because I would love to hear. And I hope you love them. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.